How to upload certificate on LinkedIn. You can do this on the LinkedIn app on your phone, whether that's the iPhone or Android, or you can do it on the website by first of all going to your profile. Then once you're on your profile here, you can go to the add section area here. It should just be below your name. Once you've clicked on add section, you want to scroll down and then open the recommended section. There are other sections as well if you want to upload PDF files, if you want to upload different other certifications to different areas, but most of you want to click on add license or certification. Here, if you have the PDF file, the document that is proof of your certification, you can go ahead and put it in here. Do not use the add media section where it says add an image. You want to click on add a document if you have a PDF file. So go ahead, click on that, click on open, and then it will load in the certification into LinkedIn there. You can go ahead and put a title on it, a description. Then you can just click on save and then it will be on there. You can add further other details onto here. You can also add multiple certifications as well just by doing the same process again. But that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.